Ayiko! Ayiko! Under the auspices of the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, I am thrilled to welcome you to Ghana's Love and Chocolate Month. This celebration shines a light on our rich cocoa heritage and recognizes the hard work of our dedicated farmers and communities. Your favorite chocolates are a testament to our passion and commitment. Join us as we immerse ourselves in this enriching journey, explore our local cocoa farms, indulge in the exquisite flavors of Ghanaian chocolate, and embrace the beauty of our culture. Let's come together this Love Month to appreciate our unique heritage while supporting domestic tourism and our local communities. Together with the Ghana Tourism Authority, I invite you to celebrate love, cocoa, and the vibrant experiences that await you in Ghana. Your participation helps uplift our local economy and foster a deeper connection with our culture. Share love, eat chocolate, and appreciate cocoa.